Okay, we're going to make a business card today. So go to this website and I want you to follow along with me. So the website is bit.ly/IED King card, IED card 2019. Hit enter. Go over here and click design your own business card now. And now we want you to sign up with an email. So I'm going to sign up with an email. I'm going to type in an email that I have. So I'm going to pause it right here. I'm going to type in my name, Goofy Guy, and then let's see, my email address is blah, 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 okay, and my password is that. So make sure your birth date and all that works. I was born in 1945. 1945 is when I was born. Okay, so fill that information in and then click sign up. So I'm and so now I'm going to click block here. I don't want any things going on there. You're going to see a setup that looks like this. Just click OK. I got it. There, you're going to change Leroy, Garden Center, and all that kind of stuff. So what I want you to do, guys, you're going to follow along with me. And I want you to just double click on some things. Put your company name in here. My company name is Bring It Industries. You can name your company whatever you want. And then I'm gonna I'm gonna take this bottom corner and blow this up as big as I want. Fill it up. One neat thing I want you to know about the Adobe. Let's click on Style. Under Bring It Industries, you can change the style. So go over here to the right and click Style and just start spinning the wheel like this. I'm going to turn it around until I find something I like. Don't like anything here, so that's all right. I'll take that. Okay, so I clicked on it. Make it look however you want. Now I'm going to put down here. I'm going to put my logo, our company, my slogan. Our company rocks, and click done, and then blow it up, make it big, double click on it and change the style. So I'm going to go around here, let's change our style to whatever I want. I'm just going to keep spinning it till I find something I like. Alright, so let's just go with that right there. Now I'm going to change my address. Your address is going to be the same as my address. It's going to be our school address. So notice the word address is misspelled, and put a D there. Alright, our address is going to be 603 Yellow Jacket Drive. Okay, and so space, Starkville, Mississippi 39759. And then our phone number is 662-123-4567. I want everybody to have the same phone number here, okay? We're just trying to make it to where our business card looks right. So I'm going to blow that up as big as I want. Now we're going to start messing around with this, the way it looks, okay? So I'm going to go back to the style again, change the style of my, I got to click that spin wheel until I like the way it looks. That's fine. We can just stay with that right there. So I don't want flowers. My company's name is Bring It Industries. So I'm going to go type in toy. We're making toys, and so I'm going to put a toy in there. I'm going to put Sonic the Hedgehog in there. All right. So the thing is, I can't read the word Bring It Industries with Sonic the Hedgehog in the way. So I'm going to put him off to the side and blow this up as big as I want. You see how that looks? Now we're going to change this. You can change the rotation of things by turning it like that. You see that? So that makes it a little more unique. Make that happen. You can change the background of the part here by changing it to whatever color you want. So you click here, change color. I'm going to make it like a light blue. Okay. That's kind of too light. Let's do a little bit darker. That looks good. All right, so we've got our business card done. So let's make sure you go up to my post and click King Business Card or or you can type in your name, business card, okay? And then once you click off of that, it says saving, and it's saving it. So this is called Adobe Spark, is what we're using. Okay, so now I want you to right-click on the image and go to Copy Image. Open up Microsoft Word. We're going to do a new blank document in Microsoft Word. I'm going to paste in my image just like that. Whoop, made a mistake, so pause. Okay, so right-click on the image, Save Image As. Go up to Downloads folder up here at the top, and then just type in your name. I'm going to put Mr. King business card. I'm just saving the file. So click Mr. King business card, click yes, I want to replace it. So now I'm going to go over here to Word, open Word, go to Insert, Pictures, and I'm going to go to my Downloads folder again. And if you'll notice down here, I've got it saved as Mr. King business card, so click Insert. Now I'm going to resize this image, and so I right-click on it, go to Size and Position. I'm going to change this now. Business card is 2 inches high and 3.5 inches wide. So click that height 2 and click that width 3.5 inches. So this is the size of a business card. So now we're just going to try and put as many of these on the page as possible. So go to Layout, Orientation, Landscape, Margins, Narrow, and then make sure that you right-click on Layout Options, click Type, Copy, and Paste. Just keep copying and pasting until you can't do it anymore. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of these. I'm going to hold down the Control button and click both at the same time. Control, Paste. I'm going to pull them over, just like that. Control, Paste. I'm just going to keep doing this until I can't fill up the page anymore. So now notice it's highlighted there. I'm going to hold down Control and click all of them. Control C, Control V, bring down some more. I don't know why it's not doing all 4 of them, but oh well, I'm not worried about it. Okay, so click there. Alright, what you got, bud? A headphone splitter? Yes, I do. I've got it. I'll bring it to you in just a second. There's one over there by Kavion. Okay, that's fine. I'll bring you one in just a second. So guys, I've got, let's see, we've got our layout, our file. I'm going to print it. This is what it looks like when you print it. I've got 6 of them on the sheet. You can probably put more. Matter of fact, if you turn the orientation to portrait, you could probably put more. I think I can put 2 more. So Control C, Control V, just like I did. It brings down, that's weird, it brings down like 2 of them, but they're all connected together for some reason. So if you're having the same issues I am, don't sweat it. I just want you to print off, okay? I don't know what that is. Okay, so now I've got my business cards ready to cut out and print off. So I'm just going to click File, Print, and print it. And so, hold on just a minute. Okay, and so this is what it should look like. I don't know if you can see me or not, but this is my print off. Okay, and so make this happen. Let's get it done. There's your link to start it. bit.ly/IED CARD 2019. Make your business card and then print off. I did, I think, 8 of these. So you can cut out 8 of these and we can laminate them if you want. Okay, make it happen. Let's go.